In this video, we will show you how to add a background image to a flyer. Start by creating a new flyer. To speed up this process, we will use a template. Locate our background image file. We want to use this image on the desktop. Resize the image so it fills our entire canvas. Move the image to the very back layer so it's applied as a background. Move the image until you're happy with its position, then right-click or Control-click and choose Lock. Locking the image fixes its position so it does not get accidentally shifted when you're editing other foreground objects. You can unlock it and adjust its position at any time by right-clicking on the image and selecting Unlock. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos in this playlist for more Orion Label and Print Studio video tutorials.